Thukuru-ini wa Kenya Institute of Mass Communications mwena wa South B ni kwa igongona ria kuririkana Purity wa Geshi rigutafanagirio. Mwaria thutha wa ugi makiririkana wa Geshi ta muiritu urendete kuina mukeni na mundu uramenyaga guikarania na andu.
I and Madam Nance, we were working on the pavement, and Purity had been accompanied by a friend to come and see her on her normal routine check at the clinic. She was full of life and very jovial. Little did I know that indeed Purity would be no more in the next 24 hours.
Family ya Wageshi yuma na ihinda irito gutaukwo niki kiracungiririe mwana wao kuragwo na njira ya unyamu.
Say she introduced me to TikTok, downloaded TikTok on my phone, and I still look at the videos. I still see what she used to do, and the pain comes as if it was just yesterday.
I once looked forward to be on these grounds once she completes her studies. Maybe if she was in her gown today, we would be all smiling.
That be happy and very much feel the love that KIMC has provided during this trying time.
Arata a Wageshi maugite megutura mamuririkanite na njira itiganite na makiria muno TikTok ni undu wa makinya maria aramonagia kuina namo.
We used to go to the same church. Wangeshi was such a jovial girl. She was full of life. It hurts to know that such a soul with big dreams was cut short. I remember this holiday we just had a lot of fun. I remember them laughing at me because I couldn't dance. It was fun at the same time, but those are memories I have to keep of her.
Alikuwa rafiki yangu wa karibu sana. Nakumbuka tukikuwa pamoja, tukikula meza moja katika chumba cha mankuli hapo. Mara zingine akipita anatuwave, na sisi tunamwave, tunafurahia. Kwa hivyo amekuwa mcheshi sana, amekuwa msichana ambaye anapenda watu.
Andu ana nio maiketio ngono magikuruhanio na njuragano ino. Mwikuiro munene ari mwendo wa Wageshi John Wanyoike Kifungi kana DJ Flex ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rukiurio kuhanyukia mihango iyo niguo kuhe family ya Wageshi kihoto. Wageshi agathikwo muthi wa Jumamothi mwena wa Muhotetu kaunti-ini ya Laikipia. Girifotera Kameme TV Retorakonu wa Jiro wa Foro.